Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
I am Mary Sayo, the principal of Siphon Memorial Higher Secondary School, Mawlai, Mawroh. Our school was established in the year 1982, and many of the students have passed out from here who have become doctors, engineers, and other high rank in society. This year we have got 53 students who appeared for the SSLC examination, and we got 10% pass result. We have one rank holder, 16 rank holder with 93.16%, and one of them got 91.5%, and we have got 9 of them who crossed the 18 above percent. And we have got a lot of letter marks: English 13, Kasi 13, in alternative English 1, Mathematics 8, Science 17, Social Science 8, Health Education 22. And we have 3 students who have got the highest marks in education. We do have teachers who are very dedicated and committed in teaching and forming the students. This year we have opened the Class 11 art stream only, and we are waiting to get good students to come to our school. Since we haven't have many rooms for many optional subjects, so we have got only Kasi, English as main subjects, history, sociology, and education as the combined papers. And teachers who are here in higher secondary, they are mostly from secondary, who are quite experienced and qualified in the subjects. So we hope that we'll have more students who will come into our school, will form themselves in academic and character. Our school is providing quality education, not only academic, but we do form them psychologically, spiritually, emotionally, to become self-confidence, self-reliance, and to face challenges in the near future. Our teachers are very cooperative and sacrificing. Actually, here in Mawroh, we do have many poor students who are poor financially and even lack parental care. But our teachers try their best to give them support, care, and love to make the students feel that they are wanted in society, and they can be someone in life in the midst of the problems that they face in their families and then in society as well. So I want to tell that we can always provide education to the students qualitatively, in spite of the not a very good infrastructure. We do have rooms, but they're not as good as many as the schools. But we can make it a qualitative school by the way that we deal with students, our performance in academic, the care we give, the counseling we give, and the attention that we give individually. Thank you.